maraming investors ang nagpapanik when they hear the term bear market. However, these severe market downturns are inevitable and frequently only last a short while, lalo na kung ikukumpara sa length ng bull markets during which the market is appreciating in value. Even in down markets, there are lucrative investing possibilities. Ang bear market ay isang pinahabang pagbaba sa investment prices. Typically, ang bear market ay tuwing merong broad market index declines by 20% or more from its most recent high. Bear markets are possible para sa individual stocks and markets as a whole, tulad ng Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Bear markets are characterized by investors' pessimism and low confidence, and they often occur just before or after the economy moves into a recession, pero hindi lagi. While 20% is the threshold, bear markets often fall much deeper than that over a sustained period. Hindi siya nagaganap ng isang iglap lang. Despite a few sporadic relief rallies, ang overall trend ay mananatiling pababa. Investors eventually start to discover attractively priced stocks and then they start buying, thereby ending the bear market. While investors might be bearish sa isang specific na stock, that sentiment may not affect the market as a whole. Pero when the market turns bearish, halos lahat ng stocks within it begin to decline. Even if individually, they're reporting good news and growing earnings naman. During a bear market, parang nababaliwala lang o di kaya mabilis nalilimutan kahit na mga magagandang balita. Selling typically continues quickly, pushing prices even lower. Gaano katagal ang typical duration ng bear market? Well, bear markets tend to be shorter than bull markets. Pwede siyang magtagal ng mga 289 days to 363 days on average, versus the average duration ng bull markets which is around 1,742 days. Ano ang magandang gawin tuwing bear market? Unang-una, diversify your holdings. Consider high dividend paying stocks or even bonds. Pangalawa, mag-aral ng husto. So when the bull market comes, and it will come, you'll be ready and better than before. At ikatlo, maghanap ng ibang sources of income. Maybe learn a new side hustle or improve your current skill set para ma-promote ka sa trabaho mo. Ano ang pinagkakaabalahan ninyo ngayong bear market? Meron ba kayong mga bear market stories? Let me know in the comment section below.